I do want to share something. This is not a sewing video. Crafting is still my passion. I mean, it's like what I started out doing, but I do want to share something. You know, in terms of crafting on a budget. I do want to share some things. Okay, so I was working on something. That's number one. I was working on something and I wanted, you know, right away to have a charm, and I didn't want to order and wait on it or anything. So something came to mind, and I know that it's already out there. So for sure it's out there somewhere. I mean, it's not anything that's new. So heavy cardstock and gluing foil on the cardstock, and of course running it through your die to make your charm, or what I consider to be a charm. And it's pretty good. Only thing that I would suggest that I didn't do is to seal the cardstock on the back side, to seal it with like Mod Podge or something. I mean, it's sturdy enough, but I would seal the paper, the cardstock, I meant, on the back with like some Mod Podge. So of course, you know, you lay your die down and, you know, put what you're cutting on top, or, you know, backwards, it doesn't matter. This is really the proper way of cutting dies, is to lay your die down first, and then the paper in which you're going to cut, and then, you know, you sandwich the two. As you can see, I don't follow instructions all of the time. So I did want to share that in terms of, you know, a budget, and, you know, just doing cute little things, especially when you don't want to wait, because you have those out there that financially can't order online. You have those that just don't like their information out there, and then you have those that, you know, perhaps don't have the patience, and that's me. I don't have patience at all in terms of waiting on orders. I usually try to order things that I think are going to come in a good amount of time. Now with this die set, I got this from Etsy. I don't have the seller's name. Unfortunately, I threw that part away, but she was very good about getting the die to me in under 9 days. This die set to me in under 9 days, and that's the kind of ordering I like, without having to pay, you know, an extra $12 because you want it rapidly, or, you know, again, we're talking about crafting on a budget, right? So that was the first thing. And then the next thing I wanted to share was just like, again, I'm doing something with Alice in Wonderland. So I picked these up from Tuesday morning some time ago. And, you know, who would have thought that I would use paper clips for anything? So as you can see, the pink tag, if my memory serves me correctly, is 20% off the $2.49, which is still not bad. $2.49 is not bad in itself, but if you get an extra discount, that helps too. So I picked these up some time ago from Tuesday morning. Now, you know how you have your charms that you ordered from like eBay or Amazon, you know, you get them in bulk. I went through my charms and I got anything that was like Alice in Wonderland kind of related. And I got these, I dug these charms out. So, you know, these charms usually come with like the epoxy pieces. And you stick the epoxy piece on, you know, your picture, cut around it, and then you attach it. So then there you are, a charm that you made all by yourself. And this book, I usually pick these types of books up at the thrift store. So I think this particular one was 99 cents. So I picked it up a while back. It was 1951. And again, I'm going to take my epoxy pieces, cut the images out, and make my own charms. So that's a budget way. And then I have these cards that I photocopied and I stamped on them, cut images from the book, and you know, made some embellishments that way. And I went through some of my dies that may be related. You know, they had the chair and the Alice in Wonderland. I ordered this from AliExpress some time ago. I got this one from Tuesday morning. And then even with this, like, even if you don't have a Mad Hatter, you know, die set or anything Alice in Wonderland, to me, dies like this is close enough. So I went through all of my stamps and my dies, and I just picked out a few things that were related, and that was even before I ordered the Alice in Wonderland die set and the stamp set. And that was pretty much all. You have stuff like this that you get like from the thrift store. You know, I got